Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making pizza chicken sandwiches. Now I kind of got this idea from a vending machine at work. They had a pizza and hamburger, but this is definitely an improvement over what was in the vending machine. What you're going to need for this, so I just got some hamburger buns. So I'm going to use 4 of these because I'm going to make 4 sandwiches. And you're going to need a stick of butter. I'm going to melt this, and we're going to put in a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then you're going to need 2 chicken breasts, which we're going to cut in half. So then you're going to need some garlic seasoning. And then we're going to need some pizza sauce, and going to need I got 8 ounces of mozzarella. I'm gonna shred this, so about a cup of shredded mozzarella. I'm gonna shred this on my own. It cuts a little bit of the sodium out if you just buy the block and shred it. That way you don't have the what they use for the keep it fresh, and the shredded cheese has some sodium in it. So, and then these have even more sodium in it, and I'm watching my sodium, guys. So, and you got 4 slices of pepperoni per chicken breast thing, so it'll be 16 for this. So, okay. Well, let's get this together and have a good time and see how it all turns out. And it will be perfect for our family dinner. So, alright, so here we go, guys. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do is melt the butter. You just put the 1 stick of butter in here, and as it melts, we get a good melt on it here, and we'll just, as it gets a little bit melted, that's when we'll go ahead and add the teaspoon of the garlic powder in there, and just get that all mixed in there. And as it melts, this will be the spread. We'll spread this on the hamburger buns at the end of making this. So we'll just get this heated and melted. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just get that melted. It won't take too long. You don't want to get it scorched or anything, but as soon as it's melted, you can pull it off. Okay guys, it don't have to be too high. Just enough to melt the butter and get the garlic powder mixed in there. And I guess you're just gonna take the take a brush and brush it on to the bread when this is later on when we go do the assembling part. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna go on to our next step here. Okay guys, the next thing we're gonna do is take our 2 chicken breasts, and we're arranged here. And very careful, we're going to take a knife and cut them on the side here. All the way across. Okay guys, so there we go. We're gonna just take that and put it on the plate over here, and we'll cut the other one. Okay guys, I'll see you after I cut this other one for our next step. Okay guys, our next step we're gonna do is just take the Italian seasoning we got and just sprinkle it over top of it here. See if I can, woo. Yeah, just a little bit there. Alright. Flip this over. Okay. There, a little bit more on there. Put a little bit more than what I really wanted to on there. Well, we can that off. And we'll get that thing washed off in you. Okay, I'm going to stop here and wash my hands real quick. Alright guys, we'll just spray this down, spray our frying pan down, non-stick spray. And we're gonna lay the chicken in here. Gonna let it cook for roughly almost about 10 minutes on each side. That should get it through. Want to make sure that it cooks all the way through. But we're gonna, while that's cooking, I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning up, and then we'll flip this over and cook the other side after about 10 minutes, and then we'll start working on assembling the sandwich, or doing the next step of this, which is putting this stuff on the chicken. So, alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, it's been cooked on one side for about 10 minutes. So we're going to flip this over, flip these over on the other side, because the other side, get it cooked all the way through. So there we go, we're going to get that cooked. Alright, so we're going to let this cook for another 10 minutes. And then we'll start doing what we need to do with the rest of it. So I'll see you in about 10 minutes. Okay guys, chicken's been cooking, it is done. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our prepared pizza sauce, and we're going to lay that on the chicken here. Just do it right in the pan. About 2 spoonfuls. Just cover the top of the chicken up. Alright guys. The next thing we do, we'll take our shredded cheese, just put that on top. Now, next step, we'll just put our pepperoni on top. Alright. There you go. There's about 3 pieces. I think I said 4 at the beginning of the video, but that just depends on the size. I think I can get 4 on this one here. Alright. We'll just take what we got of the cheese left and put some right on top of the pepperonis. Alright, there you go. We'll just set this on the little top on top and let it melt. It should take about a minute or 2 on that. And once it's melted, the chicken will be done, and then we'll go on and prepare the buns and the assembly. So when that happens, we'll be right back. Alright guys, it melted a little bit. I've had it in here for about a minute or so. So, put that over there. We're going to go ahead and take this chicken out and put it on the plate so we can get the buns in here. Get the cheese out. We're just going to slide this on over in here. Alright, there we go. Chicken in there. We'll just go ahead and scrape the cheese out of the way. And, alright. There we go. Now, we're gonna get our buns out here. Alright. Take your 4 buns. Take your, got the melted butter with the garlic powder in it. We're just gonna take it and coat the bottom part of the bun and put it in there. So there we go, guys. This will add a little more flavor to it. And let's let these buns toast for a little bit. Alright guys, this is going to be really good in the end here, guys, and I'm sure that the whole family will love them. And then it's pretty easy. I just added a little things to it to kind of add taste and stuff to it, but you can take some of it away if you want, but this will all be good in the end. Alright, we're gonna let this toast. Let these buns toast for a little bit, and then we'll assemble it. So we can get that a minute or so to toast, and we'll be right back to assemble everything here. Okay guys, let's pop these over. See, those are nice and toasted there. Got a nice toasted thing, so we'll just go ahead and take these buns out. Okay. That's got that garlic bread or butter, garlic bread smell. So, go good with that pizza there, pizza flavoring. All right, so let's get that out of the way. So next step we do, we'll just take our bun and take our pizza and just slide it on in there and put our thumb, and there you guys go, our nice little pizza, chicken pizza sandwich. So okay, so let's go ahead and give this a try and see how it tastes, guys. So here we go, let's go. This is good, guys. So it's another great way of having a good chicken sandwich. Like I said, I kind of got the idea from at work. They had a pizza hamburger in the vending machine. So and I was like, that's a good idea. Let's see if I can make it at home. And I was thinking about it and came up with this, and with a little bit of references of online too. But alright, well guys, this turned out really good. So if you like pizza, want something a little bit different, so you just cook your chicken up, put the pizza toppings on top, and you got yourself a pizza chicken sandwich. Okay guys, I'll gonna finish this up here, and I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you on the next video.